I've never been trained like this.
Hey guys, today we are doing a mango protein lassi. The ingredients for the same, super simple. Here we have Epigama Greek yogurt natural. Then I have my Inja Pro Collagen unflavored. Then I have your one whole mango. Here I have my mango flavored protein powder. And lastly, I have your magic leaf stevia. First, I'm going to blend this, then I'm going to add my Greek yogurt to the same. Now, once this is blended, now we are going to add our Greek yogurt to the same. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unflavored natural Epigama Greek yogurt. There goes 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and for one last time we're going to blend the same. And here goes mango protein lassi. There you go. Once it's ready, you can also drizzle some cardamom seeds on top. Our low-calorie mango protein chas is ready.